guys, good afternoon. May papakita lang ako kasi. Ito kasi ngayon yung pinagkakaabalahan ko. Ito, diamond art. Ito yung, I think pangalawa kong ginawa. And then naggawa din ako ng dream catcher. Yeah, yun din ang una kong ginawa. Bigay yun sa akin ng parents ng, mother ng ng partner ko. Tapos ito naman yung pangalawa. I got into this now while nasa bahay lang din. So, para may nagagawa din. Madami ako naman ginagawa. Nilinis ng bahay, laundry, everything, cooking, and pag may free time, ito yung ginagawa ko. Tapos ito pa din yung meron din akong iba. Ito siya! I like this one. I'm excited to do this. And I have another one. This one. Look. It's pretty. So, ito yung pinagkakabalahan ko ngayon. Diamond dots. Tawag ba nito? Yeah. It's a diamond dots. Diamond dots. Ito yung pinagkakabalahan ko. Tapos, I am planning also to order in Shein. There's a lot of like pictures over there. Choices. So cute. I'm really excited to order some of it, and then I'm gonna put it into a frame, or maybe I'm gonna sell it if I put it into a frame sometimes. While I'm staying at home. I have to stay with my son right now because he just get out from the hospital. I'm being so bored at home now. Na ako tutulirity na ba yung tawag nito? Tutulirity na yung utak ko ngayon while I'm staying home. But I have no choice. I have to stay with him. But hopefully he's gonna come back to start his school maybe end of this month or the first week of September. Ano na yung utak ko eh. Walang sahod, walang pera. But, tapos ngayon, nag-aantay din kami ngayon ng appointment niya for counseling. So, kailangan ko kasi mag-out ng trabaho kasi madaming appointment. Hindi ko naman